Hello students, welcome back to the exercise video. Yes, we are doing the exercise on subject verb agreement. Okay, here we need to find out which verb is suitable for the subject. Okay, so if the subject is singular, we need to add yes to the verb except to the subject I and you. Okay, only to the third person singular subject, that is he, she, it, and any name of one person, one animal name, one people name, or one place name, or one thing name. Okay, to those names alone we need to add yes to the verb except to the subject. For the all other subject like I, you, we, they, and also to the plural names, we don't need to add yes to it. Okay, only to the subject alone we need to add yes. Okay, in the previous video we have done doing the 5 questions. So in this video I already told you to do the answer by yourself. If you have done the answer, means please check the answer with me. Okay, so let's continue doing this exercise. So what is the thing we need to do? I said yes, we need to read out the sentence first. First we need to read out the sentence, get the meaning and check the subject, and then only you need to choose the verb. Without checking the subject, if you are just selecting if you are choosing the verb, means that answer may go wrong. Okay, so that is why first you read out the sentence, get the meaning of the sentence, and then look for the subject, and then only you need to go for the answer. Okay, so let's start reading the 6th question. My dog dash play or plays with the pets of my friends. My dog dash play or plays with the pets of my friends. So என்னுடைய டாக் வந்து என்னுடைய நண்பர்களுடைய பெட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதோடைய டாக்ஸ் கூட வந்து என்னுடைய டாக் ப்ளே பண்ணும். So here what is the subject? See here, before the dash, that will be the subject only. So here the subject is my dog. My dog means here there is no yes, so it is in singular only. My dog means only one dog. Okay, so here it is the singular subject. For the singular subject we need to add yes to the verb. Here the verbs are play or plays. Okay, play or plays. Play is the verb only. So which play we need to choose? This play without yes or with yes? Very good. We need to choose the play which ends with the yes only, because the subject here is the singular. So for the singular subject we need to choose the verb which ends with yes only. So I am going to write the answer, that is plays. P-L-A-Y. Yes, plays. This can be applicable only in the present time. Okay, when we are talking about the present time, even present time sentences alone, we need to add yes to the verb. If we are talking about past time action, means there you should not add yes to the verb. Instead you need to use ed only. Am I right? So let's go for the 7th one. Don't get confused. Let's go for the 7th one. When the sky turns dark, we dash walk or walks back home. So here there are 2 sentences given in 7th question. Let's do one by one. First sentence, when the sky dash dark. வானம் வந்து இருட்டா ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா நாங்கள் வந்து எங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு வந்து திரும்பி போயிடுவோம். அதுதான் இதோடைய மீனிங். ஓகே, ஸோ லெட்ஸ் கோ ஃபார் தி சப்ஜெக்ட். வாட் இஸ் த சப்ஜெக்ட் ஹியர்? பிஃபோர் தி blank, that will be the subject. I said that is the sky. When the sky means it's depend only one sky. In the world we have only one sky only. Am I right? So it means it is in the singular subject. To the singular subject only we need to add yes. See here the verbs are turn or turns. So which verb you are going to choose? Turn or turns. The verb which ends with yes or the verb which doesn't end with yes? Because here the subject is singular. So for the singular subject we need to choose the verb which ends with yes. So here the answer we need to choose is turns only. That is T-U-R-N-S. Turns. Clear? Let's go for the second sentence. When the sky turns dark, we dash back home. We walk or walks back home. நாங்க வந்து எங்க வீட்டுக்கு திரும்ப நடந்து போயிடுவோம். அதுதான் மீன் பண்றாங்க. So here the subject here is we. We means it is a singular subject or a plural subject. Is we a singular or plural subject? We na நாங்கள். Okay, நாங்கள்னாலே அது என்னது? Plural தான். அப்போ pluralக்கு நம்ம verb கூட s add பண்ணுவோமா? No, நம்ம s add பண்ண மாட்டோம். So only to the singular only we will add the s. So to the verb we should not add the s. So which verb we need to choose? Walk or walks? Walks and choose பண்ணுவோமா? இல்ல walk choose பண்ணுவோமா? Here the subject is we. So plural இருந்துச்சுனா without s இருக்கிற verb தான் choose பண்ணனும். That is walk. So answer is W A L K, walk. We walk back home is the correct answer. Okay, clear? So for the seventh one, the answer are when the sky turns dark, we walk back home. Clear? For the singular we have added yes to the verb. For the plural we didn't add yes to the verb. Okay, so let's go for the eighth one. Dad dash feed or feeds our dog at night. It dash keep or keeps a watch over our house. I repeat again. Dad dash feed or feeds our dog at night. It dash keep or keeps a watch over our house. So என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா எங்களுடைய டாக் வந்து எங்க டாடி வந்து டாகுக்கு அவர் தான் வந்து சாப்பாடு வைப்பாரு, ஃபுட் வந்து வைப்பாரு. ஃபீட் மீன்ஸ் ஊட்டுறது. ஓகேவா? அவர் தான் அதுக்கு வந்து சோறு ஊட்டுவார். அது வந்து அட் நைட். அதனால எங்களுடைய டாக் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுன்னா நைட்டில் வந்து அது எங்கள் வீட்டை வந்து காவல் காக்கும். வாட் இஸ் த ஜாப் ஆஃப் தி டாக்? எஸ், இட் கீப்ஸ் ஓவர் அ வாட்ச். ரைட்? இட் வாட்ச் அவர் ஹவுஸ். இட் ப்ரொடெக்ட் அவர் ஹவுஸ் ஃப்ரம் தி thieves. If it sees any stranger, it will bark only, right? So whenever at night, always the dog keeps a watch over the house only, and his dad only feeds the food to the dog only. Okay, so now you need to choose the correct verb to the subject. Okay, here the subject is dad. Okay, dad தான் இங்க subject. So இங்க dads ன்னு இருக்கா, dad இருக்கா? dad மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. dad represent only one dad. Am I right? Only one daddy. Okay, so for the only one, that is singular subject, we need to choose feed or feeds. feed னா சாப்பாடு வைக்கிறது. that is ஊட்டுறது நம்ம சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? சோறு வைக்கிறது. so feed னா அதுதான் மீனிங். so எந்த feed நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? feed or feeds, the verb without yes or the verb with yes. feeds, because dad is the singular subject. singular subject க்கு நம்ம yes add பண்ணணுமா, add பண்ணக்கூடாதா? very good, we need to add yes to the verb for the singular subject. here dad is the singular subject, so we need to choose the verb which has yes. so we feeds, the dad feeds our dog. dad வந்து எங்களுடைய டாகுக்கு எங்க dad தான் ஃபீட் பண்ணுவாரு. at night it dash a watch over our house. at nightல அது வந்து எங்களுடைய வீட்டை வந்து பாதுகாக்கும். அது வந்து பாதுகாக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. here the subject here is it. it means it refer to the one dog only, this dog. okay, it represent one dog. so it means நாலே அது singular subject தான். so for the singular subject we need to add yes. so here these verbs are keep or keep. so which verb we need to choose? keep or keeps. very good, the verb which ends with yes, because the subject is singular. it keeps a watch over our house is the correct answer. let me read out the 8th question again. dad feeds our dog at night. it keeps a watch over our house is the correct answer. so there are only 8 questions given in your book. so 9th question I have made by my I have taken as a general question only. so you need to choose the correct answer. okay, so this exercise is in your book, page number 97, from 97 to 98, that you need to keep in your mind. okay, So let's go for the ninth one. We'll see can you do this, can you fill this dash or not. Okay, I dash my dog very much. I like or likes. I like my dog very much, or I likes my dog very much. What do you need to see first? Yes, first you need to check the subject. Here the subject is I. For the subject I, do we add yes? Subject I க்கு நம்ம வந்து yes add பண்ணுவோமா? பண்ண மாட்டோம். Only to the subject he, she, it or any name of one person, animal or thing or place க்கு மட்டும் தான் நம்ம yes add பண்ணுவோம். Here the subject is I. அப்போ subject I க்கு நம்ம வந்து yes add பண்ண மாட்டோம். So we need to choose the verb which doesn't end with yes. So like is the correct answer. I like my dog very much is the correct answer. So children, we have completed this exercise also. Check out the answer with this answer. Okay, if we have done correctly means very good. If we have done many mistakes or some mistake means no problem. Now try to learn from your mistakes and do other exercise also by yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.